Time to send this thing big. Here we go. Here we go. See how flat that thing flies? So good. Such a smooth flying machine. I don't even have to do anything in the air. All right, now we're gonna hit this one. Here we go, building up some speed. 3/4 pin. Wow, that was big. I think that's probably the biggest send I've done so far with the Stampede. Biggest one that wasn't off one of my own ramps, I should say. Gotta put that one on slow-mo real quick. All right, let's bring her again. Gonna hit that same berm. Ooh! Did not go as planned. All right, well, we'll just hit this side of it again. Here we go. Actually landing these, which is pretty impressive, I have to say. I'm pinned. That is landing so good. Doesn't even seem like it's coming down hard. Like, it just seems like it's taking it no problem. That is amazing. We're just gonna run this battery out until this thing breaks or the battery dies. Here she comes. That is impressive, very impressive. This thing is flying nice. Maybe the bearings are making a difference too. I mean, I never really noticed less resistance, or I should say more resistance with the brass bushings, but now the one thing that could potentially make a performance gain, I guess, is we have ball bearings all the way around. It wouldn't theoretically enhance the performance, but if there was, let's say, some rolling resistance with the brass bushings, we could be getting less rolling resistance having ball bearings all the way around. That's just a theory. Let me know in the comments if you think that's a possibility. But let's bring her again. And I'm pinned. And upside down. Oh! Wheel just came off. Uh-oh. Either the 17mm wheel nut just came off, or we lost the screw, the 8mm that screws into it. Let's go look. Hopefully I can find it. Let's see what happened. All right, looks like we must have lost. Okay, we also lost a wheel hex. We lost a pin. Oh, here's the wheel hex right here. Okay, I need to be very careful where I walk. So that means we must have lost the actual 8mm. Should have made sure that was tight. So yeah, the 17mm still on here. Yes, so we still have the 17mm hex adapter on there. The thing we have to find real quick is we have to find that silver 8mm that screws this wheel down. Hopefully it's somewhere right in here. So it shot this wheel this way. I'm hoping it's pretty close. So I think I'll search for it a little bit off camera and I'll be back with you guys. Hopefully I find it. All right, guys, I am back. This is the current dilemma I'm faced with. So as you saw at the last clip, the wheel flew off. So Obviously the wheel ended up all the way over here, but I cannot find the 8mm that holds the wheel, that holds the 17mm wheel hex down onto the stub axle. I thought I'd be able to find it because the grass is actually pretty brown and short and stunted right here, but I've been looking for the better part of 20 minutes. I can't find it. So all I found so far, fortunately the wheel hex fell off right here next to the RC. We lost the pin. I don't know where the pin is that goes through the stub axle, but we're missing this 8mm right here. So it's silver, it's about 3/4 of an inch long. That flew out, that's what came undone. And without that, I can't keep on going. I'm not seeing it anywhere. So I might have to go ahead, wrap up this video. If you guys did enjoy it, nonetheless, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, and stay tuned for the next video. Next video might be another running video, might be an upgrade video, we will see. But thanks for watching, see you later.